Good morning, student. I am here myself Anup Kumar, and it is my second video of this chapter, Introduction to Coordinate Geometry. Okay. In previous class, we have discussed about the some definition and the Cartesian plane. Okay, dear. So today we will discuss some questions and we will discuss that how to plot any coordinates on the graph. Okay. So let's start. Now I am writing first question on the board. If the question is given that in which quadrant this point will lie. The question there, in which quadrant this point will lie. Okay. And first is A 1 2, B -3 4. C -2 and -2, okay, and D 8 and -1. Now, as I said in previous class about the Cartesian plane, then in quadrant first, like this now, like this, it is quadrant first, quadrant second, quadrant third, and quadrant fourth. This is plus, so plus plus. This is minus plus, this is minus minus, and this is plus minus. Now here you can see there is no need to see the number of it, only you have to see the sign. If the question says that which quadrant it will lie, then plus and plus, quadrant first. So we can say quadrant first, minus and plus, quadrant second, minus and minus, it means quadrant third, and plus and minus, it means quadrant fourth. So like this we can find that which the point which will lie in which quadrant. Okay. Now let's see another point. We will write some important points. I'm writing. Now two important points you have to know. Two important points. Now the first point is if the value of coordinate y is 0, if the value of coordinate y is 0, then the point will lie on x-axis as x0, okay, or we can say that if the value is 20, 30, -40. Now here you can see the value of y is 0. It means it will lie on x-axis. Now the second point is the value of coordinate y is x is, now this time x is 0, then the point will lie on y axis. If x is 0, if y is 0, then point will lie on x-axis. If x is 0, then point will lie on y-axis at 0, 1. For example, 0, -2, 0, 4, 0, -3. This will point lie with on y-axis. If 0, then it will lie on y-axis. Okay. Now, one more point, origin. The intersecting point of two axis is called origin and its coordinate is 0, 0. This intersecting point O, it is 0, 0. It is called the origin. Okay. Now, so this is the origin. Now we will discuss that how to plot some points on a graph paper. Okay. There are 3 points given. A1, I am not writing the question, only I am writing A point 1 and 2, B is given 2, 4, C is given 3. These are the 3 points. And it has 3 questions. The first question is that we have to plot this on graph paper. Then second, that does all the 3 points will lie in a straight line. Third question, that if we will produce BA onwards, then it pass through origin or not. Let's see. At first, here you can see the value of x is 1, 2 and 3. The maximum value is 3. So we will draw the figure up to 4. Okay. It means at first we will draw both axes and on x-axis or on x or x the dash line we will mark up to one more, 1, 2 and 3, then one more, 4. And y dash line will mark up to now 2, 4, 6, maximum 6. So one more, 7. Up to 7 we will mark. Okay, and then we will plot and after that we will join AB, BC and CD also. Let's see. Now at first I am drawing the graph on the board. X, O, X dash, Y, O, Y. All is positive. The all value of X and Y is positive, so there is no need to draw the minus sign. Okay. Now here 0, X up to what? 1, 2, it should be same distance. 1, 2, and I said up to 4 now. 3 and 4. And this one? 1, 2, 3, up to 7 we have to find out. Wait. Up to 7 we have to find, then we have to increase the line. X, O, X plus. Here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. Now we have to plot the point. The point is given A 1, 2, B 2, 4 and C 3, 6. C 3 and 6. So 1 on x-axis. So 1 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis here. It means the point will lie here. 1 and B2. So it is A 1, 2. B 2, 4. 2 and 4. Now it is B 2, 4. Okay. Then C 3, 6. Now join all these lines. And it is written, if you will produce BA, it is written in the question that if you will produce BA, then this line will pass through origin. Let's see if you will produce BA. Yes, it is passing through origin. So the answer is first that this all three points will lie in quadrant first at first. In quadrant first, is all point will lie. Second, that all are in straight lines. Yes. Point A, B, and C are in straight line. In straight line. Third, after producing B to BA, it will pass to the origin. Yes. Line is passing through origin. So in graph here we have this is the whiteboard. So I have drawn the graph, but you have to take a graph paper and then you have to plot only the value and you have to draw only the line x o axis and y o y dash, and every value you have to plot. Like one box 1, second box 2, like this you can plot in the graph paper. Okay here? Now if the question is given that again that there are 4 points is given, you have to plot and you have to join all the points and the shape formed after that we have to find the area. Let's see how. Now the question is given that we have to plot 4 points. P13, Q15, R33 and H35. We have to plot these 5 points in a graph. Clearly at first I'm drawing the statement you can also write just as before. Now you can see that the highest value in x is 3. So up to 4 we will go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 3, 5, 3, 5. Up to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 6 we will go. One more now. Okay. Now plot the point P1, 1 and 3. Here. This is P. Okay. Not only P here. Now Q15, 1 and 5 here. Now this is Q. R 3 here and 3 here. It is R. S35. It is S35. And it is R33. P13. Q15. Now the shape form is this one. If you will join all the PQRS line, then you will get this shape. Now it is square or rectangle. We don't know. At first we will see that it is the square or distance. After finding the distance between the sides. Now distance between PQ. It is what? PQ, then 1 matching. Then we have to subtract these two. High minus. It means 2 units. Now PQ distance we have find RS. Again 3 matching 5 3. 2 units. Means opposite side same also. Now these two sides. QS. 1, 3 not matching. So 3 minus 1 we will subtract. Then 2 unit again. This one PR. Then 1 3. That is again 3 minus 1. 2 units. Now you can see that all are 2 units. It means it is a square. All sides are same. It is a square, and it is a straight line, so it cannot be a rhombus. Simple. So it is a square. Then we can apply the area of square. So we can write area of square is equal to side into side. Now side is 2, so 2 to the 4 square units will be there. So like this we can find all, after plotting the point, we can find the area also. Okay dear? Thank you. In next class I will explain some more concept. Thank you.